Hello everyone, it's Miros, and in today's video I will show you how you can enable native call recording on OnePlus devices and Oppo devices. And if you are living in a country where call recording is forbidden, like European Union or United States or every other country which is forbidden, today I will show you how you can enable that. Alright, this is my OnePlus 12, but this guide should work on every OnePlus device or Oppo device using Android 14. And the process is very simple, but we will need a computer just to enter one command. So let me explain. Okay guys, I'm calling myself here and you can see call recording option is missing. Even if I tap here in more, it is still missing because I'm using Google native dialer coming with the global versions of OnePlus, and it is missing call recording. Okay guys, to start, first we need to enable the developer options in our OnePlus or Oppo device. To do this, just go here in settings, about device, scroll down until you find version, tap on it, and here on version number just hit 7 times. And now you need to enter your passcode and you are now a developer. Now when you are ready, just go back to the My Settings. Here, additional settings, scroll down and you will find new menu, developer options. Here in the debugging section we need to enable USB debugging. Now when you are ready and enable it, just scroll down to the apps section, disable permission monitoring. Just hit here because guys, this is important. If you don't enable that option, disable permission monitoring, our ADB commands will not work. So this is important. Enable USB debugging and disable permission monitoring. Alright, when you are ready, we just need to install 2 applications. Remember, all the links will be in video description, so always check first there. Here is the link to download the first application, Contacts from Android 14. Remember, these are applications, stock applications coming from OnePlus, just they are coming from the region where call recording is not forbidden. So nothing special, nothing scary, these are just the stock OnePlus or Oppo applications. So the file will start downloading now. We need to download the second file too, which is InCalUI 14.0.5 rec. Remember guys, don't update this file. When you download it and install it, just don't update that application because the next version is missing call recording. This is very important. InCalUI is just Oppo phone application but with call recording included. So don't update that application. Let's just download it. And here are the applications. First install Contacts. Hit here more details and install anyway. Now it's done. And install InCalUI. Here after the installation we have some preparations. We need to disable that Google dialer. Before that we can't disable it, but now when we have a second dialer application we can do this. Now go in settings, scroll apps, find default apps, find phone app and change it to Contacts. Now we can go and disable that Google dialer because if we don't disable it, it will not give us the option to record the calls. So app management, search for phone. Here it is, the blue icon with the white circle is the Google dialer. Now just hit disable. Enter your lock code and now you can see it's missing from here. Just find now in applications phone. Now we have everything installed. What we need just to connect our device to the computer and use some ADB commands. Let me show you. Okay guys, now we are here on our computer and from here we need to open that web page, developer android.com, tools, release note, platform tools, and we need to download these platform tools so our computer can communicate with our phone with the ADB commands. if you already have that installed, just skip that step, but here is the link. Here the link will be in video description. Remember that you need to download it for Windows, Mac or Linux. I'm using Windows, so I just download it from for Windows. When you are just download it, extract it of course, and here is the folder with extracted platform tools. Now when you are in the folder inside it, just hit here in the field, in the upper field, and right here CMD and hit enter. Now command prompt will be opened here. Now guys, it's time to connect our device to our computer. Here my advice is to use the original cable coming in the box with your OnePlus or Oppo device. Just plug the cable. When the device is connected, just swipe down notification center and select from here charging this device. Just hit here and select file transfer. Now file transfer mode is enabled, and when your device is connected to a computer, probably allow USB debugging will open here on your device, but it's always better to write here the command ADB devices and hit enter. Now when this screen appears, allow USB debugging on your device, just hit allow or always allow from this computer to give permissions to your computer to communicate with your phone. Now when you are doing all this, we are ready to the actual command. All the commands will be in video description. So the first and most important command is ADB shell settings put global op voice recording supported by MCC1. This is the only command you will need to enable the call recording. Just copy it from video description and paste it here in command prompt. Just hit right button mouse and it will be pasted. Now just hit enter and that's it guys. This is everything. Remember, if the command fails here, that option here should be enabled. Disable permission monitoring in developer options. Remember that. And now when we are ready, I just want to explain you what are the other two commands. They are, if you want to enable auto call recording. If you want it auto call recording, just copy and paste this command. If you want them, just copy, paste, hit enter and do the same for the third command, and that's everything. Now your OnePlus device is supporting call recording and it's time to test that. Strangely or not, I will call myself again just to show you it is working. Of course, this phone dialer needs some permissions, agree and continue. And you can see I'm calling here from my work number. Let me answer. And you can see, because I put these commands for automatic call recording, it is already start recording automatically my call. And of course guys, you can find your recordings if you go in app section and open the recorder application. You can see my number and here I can find all the call recordings. The last one, and you can see, because I put these commands for automatic. So the same, all call recordings will be here in recorder application. And of course, if you want to enable or disable automatic call recorder, you already understand me what you need to do. And that's it guys. You can clearly see that recording option is working on my OnePlus 12 and will work for yours if you just follow the steps. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if this video helps you somehow, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Have a nice day.